Thank you for stopping by Tasha's Merch Review. Here you will find a review of all things merchandise, whether it's clothing, tech, food, or products. But before we get into the video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified so you'll know each and every time a new merch video drops. So let's get into the video. Okay, so in my hand I have the PetSafe Happy Ride booster seat for doggies. I have a 1-year-old Morkie. His name is Tip. So let me show you Tip. Come here, Tip. This is Tip. This is my Morkie Tip. Say hi, Tip. Wave to the people. And he is 4 pounds. And he's a Maltese and Yorkie mix. And normally when we go places, I hold him in the car on a leash and let him ride and roll the window down. But I wanted to get him a booster seat so that he can sit in the back seat and still enjoy the ride. So I ordered this from Chewy.com. I had went to PetSmart the other day and went to actually go pick up treats, but I saw that they had booster seats and they wanted $44 for their booster seats, and I thought that was kind of expensive. So I started checking online and Chewy popped up, and this one was $25.90. So I ordered this one on a Friday, and it actually arrived that Sunday. So fast shipping. Also, the shipping was $4.95 plus with tax, so it came to $33. Still cheaper than PetSmart. So we're going to unbox this, and I'm going to actually put it in the car and put Tip in there so you can see exactly how it looks in the car and if it works out. So here we go. Okay, so this is the front of the box. It has a little Yorkie, and I got the brown color, and it holds a dog up to 12 pounds. The side and the back. And it's a wearable fleece liner with zip storage, adjustable safety tether, provides elevated view, easily mounts on headrest, and is secured by a seat belt. Okay. Then on the top, just the logo and booster seat. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Pull out the booster seat. Okay, so in the box, you get the instructions on how to get started. And that's a picture of how it will look. And then you also get a little, like, warnings, you know, what you should do, what you shouldn't do when your dog is in the booster seat. Okay, so this is the booster seat. It's brown. That's that fleece lining. Let's see, how do we do these? Oh, okay. So you just pop it up like this. It folds, so it's foldable, and it just pops up. And on the front, it has the logo and Velcro on the side, both sides. Then you have your strap, and I guess that goes around the headrest. And then inside you have where you would attach this part to your dog's harness. Okay, so what I did, there was a U-shaped bracket, and I'm going to show you. This bracket here, you're going to put down in the bottom, and it snaps into these rubber things on both sides. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So it snaps in, and then that lifts up. And then you take the felt, which has Velcro around it, and you put that down in the bottom, and you line up the felt with the Velcro that's on the actual booster. So let me do that. The strap that you connect to the harness, there's a little slit in the Velcro. You'll pull that through. So you're going to pull that through the Velcro. And you're just going to line up. So once you put the part where you're going to attach the harness into the slit, there's going to be two other slits on both sides, and you're going to loop the snaps through on both sides, and then you're going to just line up these Velcros so that they snap on. Okay, and once that is done, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to go outside and put this in the car, and then we're going to put Tip in there and see how it works out. Alright, so you're going to take the buckle and go and put it around the headrest, and then you put it to the height of the window so the dog can look out the window. Okay, then you want the strap to be in the back. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your seat belt and put it through the two straps in the back. Okay, so your seat belt is going to go through there. So I'll be back once I have that completed. Okay, now as you can see, I loop the seat belt through the two straps, so it's going here to the opposite side strap, and then it's buckled in to secure it. Now if you have bucket seats, you would take this strap and then buckle it around the bucket seat. and snap it on to this one. But I don't have bucket seats. And also what I noticed is there is a pocket. There's a pocket in the front. You can put your dog's treats or toys or, you know, poopy bags in the front. So that's nice that they offer that. All right, so let's go back and let's go get Tip and let's strap him in. All right, you guys, I got Mr. Tippers with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and strap him in. He has a harness on. We're gonna take this strap and snap it to his harness, and that would be how you would set up the Happy Ride booster seat. All right, so come on, Tips. So I got Tip in there. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, you guys. I don't know if it's gonna. See if I can get it to. All right, yeah, there go Tip. All right, I think I'm gonna have to turn this off and snap them in, and then I'll come back. Okay, so Tip is all set. He's in his new booster seat, and as you can see, it looks like, well, he does this anyway. He bites and eats everything off the floor. So he just have to get used to it, but it looks like it's going to work out. He gets a view of the outside because you can adjust these straps to as high as or as low as you want them. And the strap that is attached to his harness, let's see if you can see that. Let's see where he at. So this strap here that's attached to his harness, you can adjust it as well. So he just have to get used to it. That's what he does. But yeah. So wait a minute, Tiff. There you go. There you go. All right. That has been my review of the PetSafe Happy Ride booster seat. I like it. It serves its purpose. It was inexpensive, way cheaper than PetSmart. Like I said, I got it off of Chewy.com. The shipping was super fast. It has adjustable straps. It has a felt lining. It was easy to assemble. And there's a zipper in the front so it can hold treats and toys and anything you need for your dog to have a comfortable ride. And I'll see you on the next merch review.